I'm asked multiple times every week in my inbox when I receive pictures from people who are asking me if I think their frenectomy or their tongue tie release has reattached. So the important thing to remember is the tongue tie is released to improve oral function. Okay, we don't identify it based on appearance. So a myofunctional therapist like myself should not determine whether it was successful based on appearance as well. Now, with that said, yes, there's some obvious stuff. I have clients all around the world who have tongue ties every day, and some of them appear to get what looks like a paper cut under the tongue. Okay, that is not a release. That is just a sore. Okay, so those are obvious. But under normal circumstances, when I am fielding hundreds of emails every month saying, hey, can you give me an opinion about whether my tongue tie has reattached, my first question is, did you work with a myofunctional therapist? How great was your provider? Did you follow all of the steps? Did you do your body work? Did you do all of that stuff? So if this is you and you're wondering if your tongue tie has reattached, I would be questioning the biggest thing, the myo and the qualifications and the expertise of your provider. It's about oral function. It's not about how it looks. Time will tell as you go on. For my clients and my students who are always asking, hey, how does it look? How does it look? It's about what you can do and how you can make improvements as we go through that rehabilitation process.